In this video, I will show with you how to cancel Coke Unity subscription. So friends, follow me in this video guide. First step, log in your account. Go to Google, search for Coke Unity. This is the keyword. Go to official website and then log in your account. After logging your account with your all details, log in with your all details as I say, and just await a few moments. And then friends, if you have a subscription on your case or on your accounts, if you have a subscription, you will see you should be guys important considerations. You have a first delivery and schedule order. Cancel any order you have a schedule, and then you go to your dashboard. From dashboard delivery info, click on cancel subscription, this option. This is how you can do guys, basically, to cancel your subscription. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. Just access your setting on your accounts. When you access your setting, click cancel your subscription.